Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to this video. My name is Judd Albring, and this video is on ClickFunnels membership site features. So I want to go through some of the basic features kind of on the back end so you can see how the membership site works inside of ClickFunnels. It is super easy to use. I love it, and you can the great thing about the membership site is it's part of ClickFunnels. It comes with it. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you how you can get some free membership site funnels and how you can get a free trial of ClickFunnels. So you can take these funnels I'm going to show you, upload them into your account. If you already have an account, if you don't, you can start a 14-day free trial and start using these free membership funnels. So on the back end of a membership site, now here's a cool thing. When you go to build a funnel, you can simply click on build a funnel and show you this here. Collect emails. We're just going to do test membership. Okay. And then we'll go back into this on the back end, but I want you to see from the front end is when you can build out a membership funnel from scratch. So you can do your basic opt-in, and then you can just go over here to the membership, add your member access area, which is the login. Okay, so you can kind of choose from these basics. You don't need to be real fancy when it comes to the login. And then you can also then from here, you go to the membership area and you have all these these are kind of generic templates that you can preview, and you can kind of see how they would lay out. Now you don't see anything here because you actually have to add the classes and stuff like that in there, which I'm going to show you here in a second. But you can build from scratch, and you can use templates, pre-built templates, which I'll show you here towards the end of the video. So let's take a look at one of my examples here, and I'm going to show you. So this is actually a ClickFunnels training that I do for people. And you can see here on the back end, this is just the membership portal or the login area. So some of the key features here are obviously people have to use a password, confirm the password. What's great about this, it's all set up for you. You don't have to do any kind of coding, any kind of linking, anything like that. And it has the access for people who are already a member to log in or to create an account. And yes, you can create a step here in the funnel prior to this where people would obviously pay to become a member. There are also, like for instance, this is a free class where I would send people a link and they can just sign up. Okay, but if I wanted to create a paid version, all I would do is add a step, call this the order page, put create funnel step, and then all I would do is go to sale, and then I would do order form. And then I would just find an order form that kind of looks along lines of what I'm trying to do. A lot of times I might keep it real basic, real simple, and then I would just select this, right, add it in there. Of course I would change it out, and then all I would do is, this is a really cool feature here, is all I have to do is just drag it to the top. So now this would be the page that they would come to, right? And I can change this to any website I want, any custom domain, and they would log in here, and then once they pay the money, it's going to then take them directly to this step. Okay, so now let's go back in here. So one thing I want to point out is this is where a lot of people get kind of concerned with, well, what happens now? Where do the emails go? You can add any autoresponder, Aweber, ActiveCampaign, GetResponse, MailChimp, you name it. All you have to do is go to integrations, select your email provider, and connect it. It'll go into whatever automation you set up. Also, you have the option to use the built-in automation within the membership site. So you can add different actions here. Okay, I prefer to use my own email service provider. And then on the membership portal, you can see here that it's as simple as adding lessons and adding sections, right? So you have a new lesson and you have a section. Okay, so a section could be something like part 1, and then part 2, part 3, and then within each section are the lessons. So maybe you have 4 lessons per section and so on. And you can do PDFs in there, you can do video, you can do audio, whatever you want. You can have surveys. And it's really simple to go in here and make any of the changes, anything you want to do. You can add various elements here, images, countdown timers, audio players, links, navigation. You can do custom coding if you want. What I like to do a lot of times is I might have a little button below here where I add a call to action to something. So after this, click here, takes them to the next step. All different types of things you can do. Also, if you're doing affiliate products and in this particular video you're explaining to them something about a tool, you can say, hey, if you want to grab this tool, click on the link below. Okay, so those are a lot of great things. And this can also be a place where you can use this link and you can set an action to have it download a PDF or take them wherever you want to take them. Okay, so that's a great feature to have there. And then let me show you, and of course you have the automation feature built in here. You have access to all of your members here, and then any sales. Okay, so if you're charging for it, and then you get access to all your stats. So you can see, which is really cool, is who's actually going through. And this is just a test one, but you can see who's actually signing up and are they going through the actual program? Are they going through each step? So it's great to see where they are within the membership site, because if people are kind of dropping off after lesson 4 or lesson 5, you know something's wrong, right? So let me show you how this would look. This would be the login for people who have paid, and then this would be the login for people who let me take this step back. People who have already downloaded the site, whether they paid it or free, this would be the link that they would have to access whenever they want to access the membership site. Okay, so they can access it 24 hours a day. They log in here. That's the deal. Here is the link that you would send them when they're brand new. Here's your password, or confirm your password, log in, blah, blah, blah. So after they do the order confirmation page, this is what they would see. Now the membership area would look something like this. So what I do here, special, is I actually add some links up top. And then here's my course on the right-hand side. Very straightforward, very simple. You can get as complex as you want to with this, right? I have all my video demonstrations in here, and then I have links up here because I mentioned different tools throughout the training, okay? And then these would link obviously to these particular pages. Now, what bonus I want to show you here is something called the Funnel Marketplace. So within the Funnel Marketplace, and you can access this during the 14-day free trial, or if you already have ClickFunnels and you don't use the Marketplace, go check it out. But I scroll down here and I go to Membership Funnels, and it's going to start with all the free ones. Whoops, let me go low to high. There we go. And it's going to give me the free funnels here, and then you have $7 funnels. But you got these two here, but here's the thing, is you can take this particular funnel, upload it right to your account, and it's already preloaded with everything you need. So you've got like a welcome video here, which is really cool. I mean, it's like a basic web page. Some features, add to cart, here's your order is complete, here's your login, and then boom, you have your members area, okay? And then there's also something else which is called Funnel Fridays. This is another added bonus for you guys. And I'll put a link below, you guys can access this. And you can go in here and they have several funnels. There's a couple membership funnels in here, and you can download these funnels for free. So you just got to search through, you'll see that there are couple membership funnels on here available, and all you do is click on the button, download the funnel, and it's also great training as well. So you can get free funnels from you can build a funnel with the templates for free, right? You can download funnels from the marketplace, and you can also get funnels from Funnel Fridays. So I hope that was helpful. I hope those features were helpful. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll put those links below. Thank you.